new 7-minute comparison video highlights the significant improvements made to Cyberpunk 2077 since its troubled 2020 launch. CD Projekt Red, the game's developer, has spent almost 3 years addressing bugs and issues through patches and updates, including the recent Phantom Liberty DLC. A Reddit user's side-by-side video comparison reveals substantial enhancements in visual quality, character animations, NPC behavior, and gameplay mechanics. Despite some minor remaining issues, this showcases CD Projekt Red's commitment to improving the game. The video demonstrates Cyberpunk 2077's transformation and the studio's dedication to delivering the originally promised experience, potentially reigniting players' interest in the game.